Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use Uber Cash when ordering on Uber Eats. Let's jump right in. Start by opening the Uber app on your phone. Once you're inside, tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, select Wallet to view your payment options. In the Wallet section, you can add money to your Uber Cash balance or manage your existing payment methods. If you don't already have funds available, simply add the amount you'd like to use. After setting up your Uber Cash, return to the home screen and choose the restaurant or items you want to order. When you're ready to check out, head to the payment section before confirming your purchase. There, select Uber Cash as your preferred payment method. Once it's selected, confirm your order, and that's it. Your Uber Cash balance will be applied automatically. That's all it takes. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching.